Are you buying a home and during the pre-qualification process, your mortgage lender told you to close out your disputes and stop the credit repair process? Find out in this episode why they want you to do that. Sturgis Credit Repair is a 5-star rated online credit repair company. We help people just like you build or rebuild their credit scores. If you have no credit history, we offer products to help you build credit history so that you never have to depend on anyone co-signing for you. If you have bad credit, enroll into our service today and allow us to work on the negative items affecting your credit scores. We take no money up front, so start our service today for free. You'll get updated through your online account as well as receiving updates through your email. For those who are trying to buy a home, we're partnered with multiple real estate agents and loan officers who are ready to assist you with your goals. If you are a real estate agent, loan officer, or anyone dependent on customers with good credit, create a free partner account with us today. You can manually send or receive clients through your online account as well as track their progress before they go to someone else. Visit our website to learn more about our services. This is going to be probably one of the quickest and easiest episodes to watch or listen to. I get so many clients that we send out to mortgage lenders to either get pre-approved for a home or to go ahead and close on their home. A lot of people send emails or they call and say, hey, my mortgage lender said I need to stop the credit repair process, or y'all need to close out my disputes. I don't want to stop working on my credit. Why do I need to close out the disputes or stop the credit repair process just because I'm buying a home? Well, whenever something is in dispute, that means something may or may not belong to you. Those accounts are currently being investigated, and your rate and approval is only based on your current credit score. So what that means, let's say if you have a negative account on there which lower the amount you're approved for or it increase your interest rate. Well, if that item truly does not belong to you, or it truly was unverified, and your credit score is now 200 points higher than what it was with that negative item on there, you may qualify for a lower rate, get approved for more, and your approval process will go a whole lot smoother. So if you have any open dispute on your credit report before you apply for a mortgage loan, those disputes must be closed, which means accounts cannot be investigated during the pre-approval or home buying process. Your loan will get kicked back, and there's nothing you can do about it until those disputes are closed. So if you are watching this video, you're a current client, or you're thinking about signing up and you want to buy a home in the future, just keep in mind you want to at least stop the process at least in a month in advance, so that way it gives time for those credit bureaus to close out those disputes within 30 to 45 days after them being open, because once a dispute is open, the credit bureaus must investigate for a month before they close out those disputes. So if you are one to be buying a home soon, which I hope you are if you're watching this episode, just keep in mind to have no open disputes during the financing process. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.